Well, hi crafty crew, this is Deba with Creative 5-Minute Crafts. Today is box number 2 of our Craft Mystery Box series. This is a craft box that's been in my storage for at least 5 years. I do not know what's in this box, and you can see that I had some very decorative duct tape here that I secured this box with. So let's see. There we go. Boy, it got some good sticky on it. Okay, let's take a look and let's see what we have inside. Wow, well, first of all, let me grab this. I'm curious to know what this is. Oh, these are foam letter stickers. There were 124 pieces. And I believe I made a sign with this. I do recall using these. I think I made a sign for an outdoor event. And if you can see here, the foam letters, they're very thin foam, but you would just peel them away from the backing. And you could apply your adhesive of choice and apply these to your sign. Well, actually, looks like there's adhesive on the back already, but you could certainly add more adhesive to the back of these. If you have some ideas on what you think I could use these really neat foam letters on, let me know down in the comments. Looks like I have some letters that are pink. I have some that are orange. And I have a few that are yellow. And I have green. And it looks like that's it. All right, number 2, or actually 2 and 3. These are called Dynamic Homework Gleaming Glitter Glue. They're 7 ounces, and I picked up gold glitter glue and silver glitter glue. This is a fingertip grip, which refers to the little knobs here on the side. Gives you a good way to grab this bottle and not drop it. I think that's brilliant. Squeeze bottle, non-toxic. And you can see I picked these up at Ollie's discount store. Wherever they sold prior, they were about $2, and Ollie's had them for 99 cents. So I have a beautiful gold glitter glue and a very vibrant and bright silver glitter glue. Next, let's take a look at these crayons. I have 64 crayon colors with the sharpener, Crayola Crayons. And let's see, wow, a lot of these have not been used. Looks like a couple of these here and here, they were used pretty well. This pink one looks like it's been used. The sharpener seems like to me, yeah, it's right here. It's on the back of the box, right here at the bottom. You could put your crayon in. As a matter of fact, for those of you who may not have seen this, because I don't know how available crayons are right now, let me take this crayon here. I don't remember taking the paper off of this, but I mean, it's showing it with paper on it, so maybe for some reason I took the paper off. But you would just take your used crayon, stick it in the sharpener, give it a few turns. If you did this long enough, you would have a brand new looking crayon. There we are. There we are. So if I compare this with a brand new crayon now, you can see the shape is very similar. And again, if I continue on, it would look identical to a brand new crayon. Now here is another box. Let's see if these are different somehow. This also says 64. These actually have the paper on the crayon and it gives you the name. This one's Periwinkle. Seems like to me they retired some colors. I don't remember the names of the retired colors. If you know what they are, leave them in the comment below and I'll check this box to see if they might be hiding in this box, and if they are, then that means this is a very valuable box of crayons. This one also has the sharpener in the back along with a little cartoon. Very cute. Now here is a Rose Art pencil box. And when I open the Rose Art pencil box, look at all the pencils. These are colored pencils, but I think they're also considered sketching pencils. I've tried my hand at some sketch work in the past. I don't have any examples right now that I can show you, but I'm pretty sure that's why I have so many different colors, because I was going to do a little sketching. You can see I have a little, well actually this is a makeup pencil sharpener, but it works for these as well. And let me see what this is. Oh, these are little stencils. How cute. So you could use these stencils to draw with your colored pencils or crayons, and you could create all of these really cute shapes. And I can tell I've used this heart template before. I think these will be used in an upcoming craft. If you're interested, please make sure you subscribe below and become a member of the Crafty Crew, and that way you'll know when I upload my video using these cute little templates. All right, up next we have, this looks like, this is called holographic tape. Looks very similar to washi tape. When the light reflects from this tape, you can see a multiple of colors. It's not just a shiny glittery tape, it's actually multiple colors, like a prism. And this is very good to know that I have, because this would be sweet on a craft. I have some of this beautiful gold. I believe this is, yeah, this is sticky tape also. Beautiful gold sticky tape. This is approximately maybe an inch or a little over an inch wide. That would look gorgeous on a craft. I have a random flower that came from something, but I love this tea stain look. Pretty sure that's why I saved this flower to use on a craft. I have some pink. This looks like it might have been like a belt, because it's finished off here at the end. It's more than likely a tie or a belt to a garment, and I no longer have the garment, but I kept the belt because I like to reuse items when I can. So this will be good to reuse in a craft. And then I have this beautiful ribbon already tied into a pretty bow, and you can tell right here it came on the neck of something. The something that it came on has been long gone, but I saved the beautiful bow because, again, I like to reuse when I can. So this will be beautiful on a craft as well. And it looks like that's the end of this craft box. If you take a look at the craft items that were in this box, if there's anything here that you'd like for me to do a craft on, just please leave me a comment down below. If you like this video and you had fun like I did going through and seeing what was in this box, please give this video a like and please share this with your friends. And we'll see you in the next video.